They say the best things come in small packages, and in for this review we have from EBS in Sweden the Mk3 version of the best-selling Session 30 combo. Let's take a listen. Hi, I'm Dan Veall and you are watching Bass Gear magazine. And this little 7.3 kilogram beast is designed for bass but is equally at home with other instruments such as keyboards and even harmonica. Let's take a closer look at the specifications and get some sounds out of this little monster. To make viewing easier, the controls are placed at the top of the combo. And in line with the rest of the EBS range, the controls are laid out in a similar manner and they're nice and clear to read on a darkened stage. We have our standard 1/4 inch input on the left hand side. Next to that, we have our master gain control with a peak LED. We set this up so when I play my instrument, the peak LED will flicker every now and then, and that ensures that I've got a good strong signal going into the combo. Next to that, a bass and treble 2-band equalizer. What I find interesting about this equalizer is they haven't just slapped on any EQ from one of their other bass amplification models, but the EQs have actually been sculpted, tailored to suit this combo. I'll put the information up on screen about the actual EQ centers, but I do like that they've thought about what a speaker of this size is actually capable of reproducing, and therefore the EQ on board is better suited to it. To the right of that, master volume control. That's going to be dead easy. We don't need to explain that anymore, do we? And then next to that, on board the Mk3, we also have Bluetooth audio streaming. Next to that, we have the output, the phone's output for silent rehearsal. Now, in terms of the streaming, we can play stereo music into the device and out through headphones. It will be mono through the speaker on the front of the combo, though. That, makes sense, really, doesn't it? So we can listen to our music in stereo and play along to it and enjoy the lovely richness of sound that you'd get from that experience. To the right of that, we have a DI output, which I am feeding the sound out into my recording system, as well as putting a microphone in front of the combo for you to listen to some of the sounds which the combo itself produces. But also later on, I'll flick through some audio so we can hear what the balanced DI sounds like as well. And if anything, I've had a great idea with this. I love the EQ centers. And I think this would actually make a really good recording preamp as well, simply because the simplicity of the EQ on board. On the front of the all-wood cabinet, we have a removable grille, and behind there is a custom 8-inch speaker for our low end and our mid-range. And we also have a tweeter on board as well to add extra clarity to our sound. That's going to give us a really good balanced sound across the board. Let's see what the 8-inch speaker is capable of. I've dropped this bass down into drop D tuning. Let's check out the lows. Let's hear some top-end clarity. For those using instruments with piezo pickups, there's great news here as well. A massive 2 megohm input impedance means that this amplifier isn't going to load if you're using passive piezo elements. Great news, great tone. The EBS Session 30, as the name suggests, pumps out 30 watts, which is absolutely adequate for small rehearsal sessions and writing sessions at home and not annoying the neighbours, but there's still plenty of fullness to the tone. As I said at the start of the video, this little chap weighs in at just over 7 kilos, and with the handle on top, it's a dead easy carry. It actually feels a lot lighter than the specifications would suggest. But should you be a little bit crazy with it, we do actually have some nice protective corners all around the combo as well, just to make sure that if you do bang it into door frames, the door frame is likely to come off worse. As always, there is a written review to accompany this video, so head on over to bassgearmag.com now to read that. I hope that you have enjoyed watching this video as much as I have in making it for you, and I'm certainly looking forward to bringing you the coolest of gear very, very soon for more video reviews. For now though, I've been Dan Veall and you have been watching Bass Gear Magazine.